Don't use scale, but from beginning you can use it for a while, but gradually you leave the scale and draw without scale. Now see, in a perspective, there will be above level, below level, and middle level. Above level, this is vertical line, this is horizontal line, and this is vertical line. Horizontal line shows your eye level, and vertical line show where you are standing. It's mean station point. See, you have to, whenever you are looking your eye level, where you are, when you are standing and sitting, and you are on the first floor, second floor, or on height, your eye level will differ. And when you are going to draw on paper, so where you have to draw your eye level, that is depend on you. For example, I will draw eye level here, top of the paper. Here, for example, I am showing this. This is my eye level. It's called horizontal line. That means I want to draw more below level of my eyes and less low level, high level of my eyes. It means above level. So more low level, below level, and less low level. So that is depend on you, which portion you want to take it and how much. Same thing, if you will draw your eye level bottom of the paper or below of the center, that means you want to draw less low level and more high level. See, it is depend how much you want to draw above eye level, how much you want to draw below eye level. According to that, you have to draw your horizontal line, eye level line. Same thing, which side, this is, I explain about level, eye level, below level, middle level, but which side, how much you want to take, according to that, you have to draw your station line. So, for example, you are standing right side, here, anywhere in right side. So that means you want to show left side more and less side right side. So if you are standing here, then it will come like that. But if you want to draw by guessing or by memorize, so you have to take care which side you want to draw more. If you want to draw right side more and left side less, then you have to create your station line left side, so your right side will look more. So that you have to, that is everything, it is depend on you, where and which place you want to draw station line and horizontal line. Now you understand? Now see, I want to show you today 1 point perspective. 1 point perspective, I have to draw station line and horizontal line, and whichever is cross the that will create point. So if I want to draw more right side and less front side, then I have to create here one point, or I can create here one point, but today I want to create in center. So this station line, this is vertical line, so this is center, and this called vanishing point, VP. Now one point perspective is there, so all the line will come from this center. Now I will draw a cube and cuboid front form. So that front form will look always rectangle and square. So I will draw it dark here, otherwise we have to draw very light. We have to use 2B pencil. This is 2B. Why 2B? Because of this graphite will etch less on paper. Otherwise HB will etch the paper, etching on paper. So that will, when you are going to erase it, that line will remain. So 2B it advisable for drawing. So you have to use this 2B, and 3B, 4B, 6B, there will be soft graphite, so that also will spoil your hand and paper both. So 2B it's advisable. Now I will draw here some rectangle and cube, and always when one point perspective is there, front portion will look rectangle or square. That is perfect rectangle and perfect square will look. I am not using scale, that's why it might be not perfect, but you have to see it and take care to show and draw it perfect rectangle and perfect square. Now see, here this is station line and this is horizontal line. Horizontal line it's mean eye level. I will explain this station line and horizontal line. Now whichever objects it's coming on station line or on horizontal line, that will show only two sides of object. That I am going to show you. See, this is high level, this is eye level, high level, high level, and we can call middle level also. Above eye level, this is high level, and below eye level, this is low level. So this you have to take care. Now this is high level object. High level object, we can see bottom of the portion. Now this corner, I will take line from this center point, it's a VP, and I am drawing dark line to show you, otherwise you have to draw light line. Now from this corner I will take line from this center. So this two line, this is rectangle, it's a front portion. Now below portion, this bottom, how much it's look, that you have to see it, whichever object front of you, you have to guess it. There will be no measurement. According to this front, how much thick it is there, you have to see the proportion, and according to proportion, you have to guess is how much thick it will look according to your front portion. So this much thick will look. It's now see why not this 2 point. There are 4 corners, but this corner, if I will take the line from this center, this will overlap this object. So when overlap the object line, that means it this line will not come. Here also, if I will connect this point and this corner, this also overlap. So this we can't see it. So whenever it is on station point, only you can see 2 side only, not 3 side or 4 side. When same thing it is horizontal, there at that time also you can see only 2 side. Here also you can see 2 side. This point here also, because of its on center station line, so you will see only 2 side. On eye level you will see only 2 side, but rest all you will see 3 side. That I will show you. Now I will explain this. See, from this corner you can draw the line. From this corner you can draw line. From this corner you can draw line. See, you can use 3 corners because of it's directly connect with this, but we can't draw on this because of its overlap this rectangle. So it's a hidden line, so we can't see. It's an opaque object. If it is transparent, we can see, but we are going to draw opaque object, so we can't see this line. So in this also same thing. According to this, see, my drawing might be it's not perfect. You can draw it's a perfect rectangle, 90 angle rectangle. You have to draw it. Now see, you seen this front. According to how much thick you will see the sides. For my object is this much thick only. So I have to draw this line. It's a vertical line, 90 angle only, and parallel of this line, and same horizontal also 90 angle and parallel of this line. And I will draw this little dark and this is little light. See, many of them they are drawing this vertical line. It's a little slant, but take care, it will not come slant. It's always 90 angle, and this is horizontal also will come 90 angle. This line, whichever it's coming from center, it will be a perpendicular line, and that only will come from center. Rest 90 angle will come, that you have to take care. Only corners line will come a slant line perpendicular, which create from center. Rest all the line will come 90 angle. See, this corner, this will be a perpendicular. This corner, this will be a perpendicular. This corner, see, this is little bit height. So this line also will come on this corner, and little bit we can see it. Now see, you have to guess this side portion. It will look this much thick, and this is 90 angle. So below portion will look like this. Only little bit you can see it. See, you have to see it here. When it's a little bit eye level, above eye level, you can see bottom portion less. If more height from eye level it's a very high, then you can see more portion. So that also you have to take care that when little on eye level, above eye level, then you can see little portion of bottom, and when it's too much height on high level, then you can see more bottom portion. Now I'm going to draw this this on horizontal line. You will see only two sides, this and this line. We can't draw here and here, so we can see only two sides, front and side, because of it is on horizontal line. Now here we will see three sides, and this is low level. So low level we can see top portion, high level we can see bottom portion. So this and this line. Now you have to guess it how much thick it is there. According to your front portion, you in proportion you have to. This is 90 angle of horizontal line. Many are drawing this little bit slant. They are not drawing line 90 angle like this, because of other line it's coming perpendicular, so they by mistake they are creating this line slant. No, you have to draw 90 angle and parallel to this, and this line also 90 angle. Now draw this. One side it's dark, one side it's little dark, and one side it's keep it as it is, so it will look three dimension. And you have to study light and shade also later, but you have to see when front of object how much light and dark is coming. See this line, if you will draw on this line, you will feel like that it's look little odd. Why it's look little odd? Because of you did the little mistakes here. You given degree of this line, so that you have to take care. This will always will come 90 angle. Only from centers lines it's coming, that only will be perpendicular, or it will be a degree, or it will be a slant line. Rest all line you have to draw 90 angle. Now this low level you can see top, this is 90 angle, this is also 90 angle, or you see just this is line and parallel this line and parallel this. So you can understand how to draw this. See, again I am showing, I am explaining this. It might be little bit mistake on drawing, but you have to correct it. Now this come on station line, so only two side we can see it. This you have to correct exact 90 angle and guess it how much thick. This is depend on you or how front of you. If object is there, you have to see it and guess it how much thick and in proportion how it's look. This all are I am doing low level, below eye level low level, and on eye it's a middle level, and above eye high level. This when on eye level and on station point objects are not there, always we can see three sides, 1, 2 and 3. Maintain shading properly. Whatever you chosen the side, that side you have to draw dark. Where you chosen light, that you have to draw light and highlight. so it will look three dimension. This is again on middle level, you will see only two sides. See, one side this and one side this. You can't draw from this. And this you will see three sides. This corner, this corner. Try to draw from all corner. You will find only three corners. This will overlap the object. As I told, if it is transparent, then you can draw it. See, I will show the transparent. You can, this is parallel and this is parallel. How much it will come, you can see. This, you guess this, and this corner 90 angle. If it is transparent, you can see like this. One box I shown transparent. So you can see opposite this side also and opposite this side also. Because of this is glass cupboard. So this is one point perspective I drawn. You can understand how to draw this, and you give one assignment on this one point perspective. Thank you. I am Umesh Kiada from Rajkumar College, Rajkot.